AquaDrone helps you to make visual inspections of assets in and around the water, like bridges, jetties, or other constructions. The AquaDrone is mostly being used by port managers, asset managers, or operators that want to inspect areas that are hard to reach or dangerous. The AquaDrone can make it viable to inspect those areas in and around the water. One of the most important requirements was to minimize the downtime and the time to deploy. Partly because of this, we made the design modular. This modular design makes the whole drone future-proof, because you can add sensors or other cameras in the future depending on the specific mission you are going to do. Working with AquaSmart was very pleasant. We saw each other several times a month to discuss new challenges, solutions, concepts, but also to test a lot of physical prototypes. The new AquaDrone is not only much more reliable, easier to deploy and to maintain, but also much more flexible in its use. On top of that, the overall look and feel of the new AquaDrone radiates robustness, professionalism and innovation.